It's okay if it's him.
But she starts doing it to other people.
Stick your arm out, dude.
No.
What?
What? Leave me alone.
And stand up.
You know what happened
No.
last time I did it.
Stand up.
I gotta record this.
Being molested by a dog.
Stand up. Fish.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Johnny.
She wants the D, bro.
I'm not giving her the D.
She's begging.
Put this on. Johnny, put this on Facebook.
No, it's messed up.
No way.
She says no.
Christian,
Stop.
she's your lover. She wants you.
This again.
She wants it, bro.
Look at Leo just turned around like.
The puppy eyes.
Leo gave up. Put the camera on Leo for 2 seconds.
Leo, you okay? Looks like someone's not getting lucky tonight.
He gave me the stink eye. Did you guys see that? He gave me the stink eye. He was like, what? What? You ain't getting? You ain't getting none.
We should get some peanut butter.
Some peanut butter, put it on.
What?
Well, what are you waiting on? Go get some.
Just spin.
Well, yeah, I forgot. I'm supposed to look away.
Okay, for whoever's watching this, if I get 100 likes, he's giving the D to her.
What? No!
No.
It's too long to put on Facebook. You know that, right?
Bet.
You best not. You're gonna ruin my life.
Just quit it and put it back on. And start it over so we can do something.
Yeah, they stopped. Dude.
I don't think she likes it.
If it don't work on Facebook, I'll get on YouTube.
No.
Try to stand up again.
What the hell's that?
Stand up. Just stand up for 2 seconds and then sit back down. I knew it.
Don't you guys see that every time she walks by, she goes.
Stick your arm out. Stick your arm out.
She's trying to mount it. Seriously, just put it on the ground real second. Just do it. Just to do it. Krista, she's in love with you. That's period.
Oh shit.
Might as well give the D. It's your new lover. Oh, he's scratching it. Oh, romantic. Oh, going up. Going up. Get that. Well, that's all, folks.